Welcome all in economics class. In this module 3, we will continue the topic production possibility curve that we have started in module 2. In this module, we will read about production possibility curve, basic properties, shift in PPC, rotation of PPC, and about the different shapes of production possibility curve. Students, I think now you are familiar with PPC, that what it shows. We can do a short revision here. Production possibility curve is a graphical presentation of various combination of two goods that can be produced with available technologies and given resources. The basic properties of PPC are: first is PPC is concave to the origin. You have seen that the shape of PPC curve is concave to origin. It shows increasing opportunity cost due to increasing marginal rate of transformation, which means that for production of every additional unit of one good, more and more units of other goods has to be sacrificed, due to which PPC is concave to the origin. Next property is downward sloping. PPC curve is downward sloping curve. As more production of one good is associated negatively with the production of other good. More of one good, less of other good. It is due to given resources. Means the resources are fixed. Either we can use in the production of one good, or we can use all the resources in the production of other good, or we can use in the production of both the goods, due to which PPC is downward sloping curve. Next property is optimum utilization of resources. What it shows, that PPC shows full employment of resources and efficient utilization of available technology and resources. It means PPC shows the maximum capacity of an economy. बेटा, here it is clear, it must be clear to you that PPC जो है प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व एक इकोनॉमी की मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी बता रहा है, क्योंकि PPC कर्व पर जितने भी कॉम्बिनेशंस हैं वो सब फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल शो कर रहे हैं एंड ऑल्सो efficiently utilization of resources and technology. अगर कोई कॉम्बिनेशन पीपीसी कर्व से इनसाइड है, अंदर की तरफ है, तो हमने कल पढ़ा था वहां पर रिसोर्सेज आर नॉट फुली एम्प्लॉयड मीन्स अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल है, लेकिन पीपीसी कर्व पर जितने भी रिसोर्सेज है वो फुल एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेवल को शो कर रहे हैं. नाउ in this topic, next is about the shift of PPC. We just said PPC shows maximum capacity of an economy. Now question arises, how can PPC shift? Yes, PPC can be shift. PPC curve shift हो सकता है. It can be shift rightward or it can be shift leftward. Rightward shift of PPC is due to economic growth, due to increase in resources, or due to technological change. You can see in this diagram. इस डायग्राम में क्या हो रहा है, जो डार्क लाइन है that is showing the original PPC curve, but due to economic growth, due to increase in resources or due to technological upgradation, PPC curve shift हो रहा है rightward. Dotted line is showing that PPC is shifting towards right. It means production capacity of economy increasing continuously. ठीक है. Next, their PPC can be shift leftward also. When PPC shift to left, when there will be economic disaster, decrease in resources or technological degradation, we can say, जब ये 3 रीजन होंगे तो पीपीसी कर्व लेफ्टवर्ड भी शिफ्ट हो सकता है. यू कैन सी इन दिस डायग्राम पीपीसी कर्व, इनिशियल पीपीसी कर्व, ओरिजिनल पीपीसी कर्व कौन सा है, ए बी, एंड इट इज शिफ्टिंग टूवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड. ए डैश बी डैश is the new PPC curve. It shows PPC is shifting towards left side. So these are about the shift in PPC. Next we will read about rotation of PPC. Rotation of PPC happens when there is change in productive capacity with respect to only one good. Rotation can either be for commodity on the x-axis or for commodity on the y-axis. First, you can see change in commodity on x-axis. If there is increase in resources or technological improvement is there for good x, then PPC will rotate from AB to AC. And if there is degradation of technology or decrease in resources for the production of good x only, then PPC will rotate from AB to AD, leftward rotation. You can see in the diagram. Similarly, change in commodity on y-axis. A technological improvement or an increase in resources for production of commodity y on y-axis, PPC will rotate from AB to CB, rightward rotation. And if there is degradation of technology or decrease in resources for production of Y commodity, that is here in this diagram written guns, for guns, PPC will rotate to left from AB to DB. So rotation happens in the case of only one commodity, and shift happens when there is change in technology and change in resources for the both goods with respect to both the goods X and Y. I think it is clear to you all. Shift in PPC and rotation of PPC. Rotation and shift both will be rightward and leftward. Leftward rotation, rightward rotation. Leftward shift, rightward shift. Shift happens when there is change in resource and technology with respect to both the goods, and rotation happens for only one good. Now next is shapes of production possibility curve versus opportunity cost. Students, you already have read that usually shape of PPC is concave to the origin. This is the main property of PPC. It happens due to increasing marginal rate of transformation, or we can say it happens because all the resources are not equally efficient in the production of all the products. So when we put resource from one production to another production, marginal opportunity cost increases. So it depends on the opportunity cost. When marginal opportunity cost increases, the shape of PPC is concave to the origin. When marginal opportunity cost remain constant, उसमें कोई चेंज नहीं आता है, जितना प्रोडक्शन हम x का बढ़ा रहे हैं उतना ही y का सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं, तो मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट कांस्टेंट रहती है एंड वी गेट अ PPC हैविंग स्ट्रेट लाइन. Similarly, if marginal opportunity cost decreases, then we get the shape of PPC will be convex to the origin. You can see in this diagram that we are taking two goods, clothes and wheat. An economy can produce two goods, cloth and wheat. And we can see when production of cloth increases continuously, production of wheat decreases because of the limited resources and limited technology. And here you can see marginal opportunity cost continuously increases. So we get a PPC curve which is concave to the origin. This shape is called concave to the origin. It happens due to increasing marginal rate of transformation. Next is, this figure shows us the straight line shape of production possibility curve. You can see in this two goods are producing in an economy, good G and good D. We can see as good production of good D increases, production of good G decreases. But when we calculate MRT, marginal rate of transformation, we get constant number 8888. You can see in this schedule. So when marginal rate of transformation is constant, then at that time the shape of PPC will be straight line. It shows that same amount of a commodity is sacrificed to gain an additional unit of another commodity. So the shape of PPC here we get is straight line because MRT is constant. Similarly, the third shape of PPC is convex to the origin. Convex shape of PPC you can see in this diagram. It is due to decreasing marginal opportunity cost. कॉन्केव पहले हमने पढ़ा था, कॉन्केव टू द ओरिजिन क्यों थी? क्योंकि मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इंक्रीज हो रही थी. और इसमें कॉन्वेक्स टू द ओरिजिन है ड्यू टू डिक्रीजिंग मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. इट मीन्स दैट इन ऑर्डर टू प्रोड्यूस मोर यूनिट्स ऑफ commodity X, less unit of commodity Y are sacrificed. This is because of the increasing law of increasing returns that you will read in the next chapters. I think it is clear. Less and less units of commodity are sacrificed to gain an additional unit of another commodity. So these are the three shapes of PPC. You can see in this schedule. According to the schedule, here is the diagram. When two commodities are producing in an economy, you can see in the first schedule, marginal opportunity cost continuously decreasing, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, due to which we get a PPC having convex to the origin shape. Convex shape का PPC हमें मिला है. इसी तरह से if you can see the second schedule, here you will find that marginal opportunity cost remain constant 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 when there is production of two commodities. When marginal opportunity cost remain constant, we get a PPC having a straight line shape. This is all about the shapes of the PPC. With this, chapter is completed and students' notes are available on the school app. If you will having any problem, then you can ask. If you are having any doubt, you can call me, you can ask on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.